Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths quickly and efficiently. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. Break down any complex problem into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach makes daunting tasks feel less overwhelming. Also, take a moment to identify your personal learning style. This will help you choose the most effective study methods for you. Next, engage in active learning. Regularly practice with a variety of problem sets to reinforce what you've learned. A great technique is to try teaching a concept to someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. Additionally, consider using flashcards for quick recall of essential formulas and definitions, which can save you valuable time during review sessions. When tackling problems, always review your mistakes thoroughly to understand where you went wrong and learn from them. Work through example problems step by step, ensuring you grasp each stage of the solution. Remember, it's perfectly fine to seek help when you're stuck on a concept. Asking questions can clarify doubts quickly and prevent frustration. Finally, to sustain your progress, set realistic study goals and consistently track your achievements. Make sure to take short, frequent breaks during your study sessions to maintain optimal focus and prevent burnout. And don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and engaged in your math journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.